I recently came into the possession of a Commodore 64G. This was marketed mostly in Germany. I was functioning but was quite dirty. So, it needed some love and care. At first, I wanted to wait until summer to do so, as I then could also make use of the sunshine outside to retro-bright the casing and keys. However, it was so dirty that I hardly dared to tough it without gloves. So, I decided to just do a quick clean and do the retro-writing later. As you can see, the keys are, let's say, used for many years and years, and not the shiny anymore. They are also quite yellowed. So, I will do a retro bright on them later. That is also the reason that I just left the space key for now. It is always a challenge to safely remove that key as it has multiple vulnerable parts. After cleaning, it is now time to put it all together again. It is good to have another Commodore 64 available just to simple look at and copy the key layout. So let's put the springs at their place and press the keys until you hear a click. So the moment of truth, turning it on. Let's play.